Welcome to YBC's What's New series. My name is Caleb Drenning, and today we are here with Andersen Windows and Doors. Chuck, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. I'm Chuck Koval with Andersen Windows. I've been with Andersen about 37 years.
Wow.
So it's been a long, good career.
Great.
And I'd really like to talk to you about our replacement products.
Okay, take us down through the different series.
We start with all of our products now really are built for the replacement application.
Okay.
We've been known as a new construction company, but all our products now can be custom sized and really fit well in all replacement applications.
So is that through all the different series, 100 to 400?
Correct, along with our A and E series, which are our architectural brands.
Okay.
I'll start with our Woodwright product. It's our 400 series Woodwright product. It's made from Fibrex on the outside frame, which is 60% vinyl, 40% wood.
Okay.
So it's very stable. It's twice as strong as vinyl, and it's proprietary to Andersen.
So that won't rot, deteriorate?
Correct. You can put it in water, and it can sit there forever, and it'll never rot.
That's great.
So it's a great, and it's a very clean product. So our sash, you can see, is made of Fibrex on the outside, very clean on the outside, no glazing beads. And then on the inside, we still use wood. It's not a laminate, it's a true wood on the interior.
Okay, as far as color options on that?
There are 7 different exterior color options on the product. We have all these different color options from white, black, dark bronze, sandtone, terratone, green, and canvas. And then on the interior, you can also get oak, maple, and pine as the standard. Okay. Something unique with Andersen on our replacement product, there's 2 basic types of replacement double hungs. There's a full frame replacement and an insert. So most people are familiar with an insert product where they leave the old frame in the building so they don't have to touch the interior casing. So it's a lot less mess, and it's a lot less labor, so it's a little bit less expensive to do. And then your product will fit right in to the old frame. So you take the old sash out, install this, and then you just put a little trim piece on the inside, and then you trim along the outside. But what's unique with Andersen is we have 3 different sill angles. We have a 0, 8, and 14-degree sill. Why is that important? Well, you can see how this sill of the new unit follows the sill of this of the old unit. So they cover this usually with aluminum or something like that, and it makes it look like it's the window was original. With a flat sill, which this unit has our flat sill, you can now see there's a big gap here. So you have something that most vinyl and other replacement companies only have this option. So now you have a big area to fill down here, and it just doesn't look as good. So our replacement product in our 400 series has those sill options to make it look better for the customer.
So in terms of sizing and what's the inch or measurement increments that you can go
We can do everything within an eighth of an inch. So really we can custom size all the way up to over 6.5 feet, and we can go down under 3 feet. Okay, so it is very versatile, and it fits in most old wood double hung openings.
So how long has Andersen offered this, or is this completely new?
It's not completely new. We've upgraded the tilt mechanism. Now, right in the lock, all you do is turn the lock and the window will tilt in for you. So it's extremely easy to tilt and clean product, but it's been out since the 90s, but we've recently improved the tilt mechanism of the product.
Okay, so what about the next series?
The next series we'll go into is our 400 series casement window. And this is kind of the main window that started our PermaShield revolution with Andersen. Andersen is known for PermaShield, which was really one of the first wood-clad products, where we wanted a low maintenance outside, but we still wanted a wood interior. So the 400 series casement window kind of is a perfect marriage between wood and vinyl. We put 4 pieces of wood together to create your frame, and then we put 1 sheet of vinyl over that frame, and we vacuum form it to it, so there's no seams, so no place for any water to get in. On the sash itself, this comes through an extruder.
Okay.
So the wood comes out and the vinyl completely wraps around it. So the only seams are at the corners where we weld them together.
Okay.
And it creates kind of a perfect marriage, because wood is something we want to keep dry so it doesn't rot, while the vinyl protects it. Vinyl expands and contracts during heat and cooling periods, so the wood stabilizes the vinyl to make it a wood clad product second to none.
Okay.
The 400 series casement can come in custom sizes also, anywhere from 17 inches wide all the way up to 36 inches wide, and all the way up to 6 feet tall.
Oh, wow.
And you can get it with or without a nailing flange. So if you're using it in new construction, you'll have a nailing flange here. If you're using it in a replacement application, you can get this without a nailing flange.
Okay.
And then all you do is you take the stops off and you'll screw through the side to secure the window in the opening, and then put the stop back on, and you'll never see any of the fasteners.
Pretty simple, yeah.
Yes, very, very simple, very efficient, and the casement window will be your most energy efficient product, really in anybody's product line.
Okay.
Because when a casement window is closed and the wind blows, the sash blows the weather strip tighter against the frame, so it actually has a better seal in strong weather. So that's your most energy efficient product.
All right, what do we have next here?
This is another example of our 400 series tilt wash.
Okay.
So this is a little less expensive than the Woodwright. Comes in all the same sizes as the Woodwright. Can be a full frame or an insert product. So it might be a good time to talk about our full frame replacement, because not everybody has an old wood double hung.
Yeah.
Some people may have an old aluminum product, something like that, or a vinyl product now that they want to replace, and the customer wants to take that down to the original rough opening.
Okay.
So that's when you would use a full frame, where they're going to take all the casing off the inside,
Yep.
put a new unit custom sized to fit the opening, and then reframe it and put casing on the interior.
That's what this product
That's the 400 series tilt wash is used for that every day. It can come with a nailing flange or without a nailing flange. You can get it factory mauled together in twins or triples, and you can custom size the product to 1/8 of an inch.
Now, I noticed there's some, is that some insulation, some foam?
Yeah, this is a foam. This is compression fit.
Okay.
For the tilting mechanism. We have kind of a unique tilting mechanism. We have what's called wash assist, where there are two pieces of wedges that you bring down, and it pushes the jam liner out to tilt the sash in.
Okay.
So it really makes a airtight seal on the window, but also makes it easy to tilt in the long run.
Yeah, that makes sense. All right, what do we have here at the end?
We're going down to our newest product, which is our 100 series product. Okay, this is all Fibrex. All Fibrex.
Everything.
Everything is Fibrex, the frame, the sash. It is a smaller, it's a 3 1/4 inch frame for everything, so it can be used as an insert or it can be used in new construction.
Okay, you get the nailing.
You can have a nailing fin, or it'll come without a nailing fin, and you can have pre-drilled holes on the inside where screws will go. It's nice, you can two-tone it. You could have black outside, white inside.
Yeah.
You could have dark bronze outside or dark bronze inside. So it's a real nice option. And the thing about Fibrex is it's not painted finish. The black and dark bronze are not painted on like some painted vinyl products. It's extruded.
Extruded that color.
Yes, it's extruded that color, so that makes it more durable over time.
Yeah. Yeah.
It also has a nice accessory curve on the insert product, where you can put a piece of trim on the outside to maybe go and touch your brick if the unit's a little bit too small. So that kind of is a nice transition piece.
Yeah,
to it.
It looks nice and finished.
Yes, and we also have a head expander. So you may have to move a window up or down in the opening a little bit.
Yeah.
So this head expander goes on top, so you can move it and it's still covered.
Some adjustment room.
Yes, correct. So it gives the replacement contractor a little adjustment room. Okay, it has 5 exterior colors in the dark bronze and black, white, sandtone, and terratone. And then on the inside, you can get it all. Every color has white, or you can also get black, dark bronze, or sandtone, as long as that's not two-toned. It has to be black, or black, white. So it's a very nice product for us.
And with all your products here, what's the warranty?
The warranty is 20 years on the glass, and that's non-prorated,
Okay.
and it's transferable. We don't care who owns the house.
Yep.
The glass is warranted. 10 years basically on everything else. So hardware, things like that would be covered for 10 years, and everything is non-prorated. So if it happens, a piece of glass goes bad 19 years, you get a new sash at no charge.
Okay.
And the new warranty will start with that.
All right. Well, we want to thank you for joining us today, and we value the partnership we have with Andersen.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you, Chuck.
You bet.